What's up, everybody? I'm a married guy. I've got 2 kids and a wife, but if I want to eat some good food, I got to make it myself. So we're going to make some pizza dough, okay? It only takes 4 ingredients. We've got salt, we've got water, not bad. We've got flour, and good old-fashioned yeast. Some people get all picky about yeast, but we're gonna keep it simple today. We're just using instant dry yeast, pretty much same stuff you get at any supermarket. So now that we've got our ingredients, you decide how much pizza dough you wanna make, how many pizzas. If you wanna make 1 pizza one time, or if you wanna make 5 pizzas the next time. If you use a ratio, you're always able to kind of change the amount you wanna make, but always have the same recipe. So the ratio we're gonna use is 100% flour, 65% water, 3% salt, and 2% yeast. So we want to first put in 70% of the flour that we're using. For me, that's going to be about 700 grams of flour. Once you put your flour into the bowl, we're going to slowly mix in all of our water. Going to kind of mix it around a bit. So now what we're going to do is just let this sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. All right, so we just let our flour and water sit for about 20 minutes. Next, we're gonna add our yeast. All right, so I've added my yeast into the dough. We're gonna get that mixed and get it real nice and blended in. Once you're happy with how well you've blended that, we're gonna measure out our salt and add that as well. Same deal here. Doing another mix. All right, we've got our salt and yeast in there, and so we want to get in the rest of the flour. As you add in the remaining flour, you're going to want to slowly add it in and mix it in. One of the great things about mixing by hand is you're not going to over mix the flour. Also, you're going to have your measurements, but as you're mixing, you also kind of want to feel it a little bit. If it's feeling a little too wet, way too sticky, you're gonna add a little more flour, just a tiny, just kind of slowly adding a little more to lose that stickiness. All right, as I'm working the dough, I'm seeing that it's starting to get more consistent, and we're getting closer to being finished. Whew. All right, this is a workout. This is a workout. This is how you get big arms. Oh, it looks like we've got some help for kneading. All right, Carolyn, come on over here and help me out. What do you think? How's it doing? Okay. All right, so you know you're done when the dough has a nice consistency to it and it has a nice kind of stretchy texture. You can basically let it rise for a few hours, or you can stick it in the fridge for up to 3 days. And if you do the 3-day rise in the refrigerator, you're gonna get some really nice complex flavors. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to shape your dough ball and make some darn good pizza. Carolyn, how's the pizza I make?
Good, very good, very good, very good, good, good.